In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective ad schedule in Google Ads for 2025. If you want to maximize the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns, having the right schedule is essential. It ensures your ads are shown at the right time to the right audience. So let's dive in and see how you can set up your ad schedule for optimal performance. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your advertising efforts, allowing you to connect with customers and drive sales. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In and enter your Google account credentials if prompted. This will bring you to your Google Ads home dashboard. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, you'll need to locate and click on the Campaigns tab. This section is your go-to for managing all the different aspects of your advertising campaigns. It's here that you can keep track of your campaign's progress and make necessary adjustments. Next, you'll want to select audiences, keywords, and content from the side menu. This section allows you to manage who sees your ads, what keywords trigger them, and what kind of content they appear alongside. But for creating your ad schedule, we'll move to the next step. Now find and click on Ad Schedule. This crucial step is where you'll shape when your ads will be shown throughout the day and week. A well thought out ad schedule can significantly impact your campaign's reach and effectiveness. After clicking Ad Schedule, choose the Schedule option. This is the moment where you define your ad's active hours. You can specify exact times and days when you want your ads to be displayed. Think about when your target audience is most active online and try aligning your ad schedule with those times. If you're targeting business professionals, for example, early morning or lunchtime during weekdays might be ideal. However, if your products lean towards younger audiences, evenings or weekends could be more appropriate. And there you have it, you've now set up an effective ad schedule within Google Ads. Remember, your ad schedule can be adjusted at any time, so feel free to revisit and tweak it based on how your campaigns are performing. Keeping an eye on your metrics can guide you in refining when your ads appear, helping you make strategic changes as needed. By tailoring your ad presence to when your potential customers are most receptive, you'll be maximizing both your budget and the reach of your campaign. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your advertising efforts on Google Ads.